Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to Math with Bigben. Welcome to my page. Please remember to subscribe, to like, to share, to follow. Exactly. So let's solve this logarithm question here on the board. So we have 6 into log 2 base s minus log x to the base of 4 plus 7 is equal to 0. You see, we want to obtain the value of x here. I'm going to solve this thing, using a very simple approach. But if you observe very well, they have different bases here. The base here in this function here is x, and the base here is 4. So let's see how we can make them the same and obtain the value of x. Are we good to go now? Good. So here we have solution. Okay, so I have it to be 6, into log 2 to the base of x. Exactly. Now minus, here is log x. Now this 4 can be broken down or can be written in the power base 2, which is 2 power 2, then plus 7 is equals to what? 0. Are we together, guys? Good, because 2 power 2 is 4. So next, this can be written as 6 into log 2 to the base of x minus. Now, from the laws of indices, there's a law of indices that talks about the power of the power of base, exactly. So since here the power of this base here is 2, it can be written as 1 divided by 2 out here, then log x to the base of 2, then plus what? Plus 7 is equal to what? Is equal to 0. Are we together? So this the power here can come out here to be what? And have its reciprocal here behind the logarithm. Exactly. So this is 1 as well. Are we together, guys? Good. So from here now, you see, now we have log 2 base x. Here we have log x to the base of 2. So we want to make these guys have the same base. So this can be written as 6 into. Now I want to express this one to log x base 2. Exactly. So I have to use what we call that reciprocal rule, which is 1 divided by log x to the base of 2. So by taking this reciprocal now, it can now be 1 all over log x to the base of 2, then minus. Here is still the same thing as writing as log x to the base of 2 all divided by 2, then plus what? Plus 7 is equals to what? Is equals to 0. Are we making sense, guys? Is it being clear now? Because this one over is the same thing as what? As half. Good. So at this point now I can say, okay, now we can now give an assumption by saying let's p be equals to log x to the base of 2. That is to say, anywhere I see log x to the base of 2, log x to the base of 2, I will represent it as p. Are we making sense? Good. So here becomes 6 into 1 divided by, here becomes what's p. So I now have here to be my p minus, here, this guy becomes p. And I have it to be p divided by, this is 2. And I have 2 plus, here's 7 is equals to what? 0. Guys, are we making sense? Like, are we making sense? Are we together now? That's fine. So at this point now, let me expand this bracket by this outside constant. So 6 times 1 is 6 divided by p minus, I have minus sign there, 6 times p over 2. This 2 here, 1, 2 here, 3. 3 times p, 3p. I have it to be 3p plus 7, plus 7, okay, is equals to 0. Is equals to 0. So at this point now, here is like over 1. Here is like over 1, no stop. So I'm going to multiply everything by p, which is the LCM, to make it linear. So multiply here by p, 3 times here. What I have here? I have 6 minus, here I have here to be 3p squared plus 7 times p is 7p is equals to 0. So we now have quadratic equation, but it is not yet arranged. So we have to take everything here. I can take everything the left-hand side to the right-hand side. Are we together? So here this becomes 3p squared when it comes over here minus 7p. Here's minus 7p, right? We have minus what? Minus 6 is equals to what? Is equals to 0. Are we making sense? So when this one comes here, it becomes plus 3p squared. When plus 3p, when plus 7p goes to the right hand side, becomes minus 7p, and when plus 6 goes to the right hand side, it becomes what? Minus 6. Exactly. So now at this point now, you see here, this constant here, the coefficient of a here, we have to multiply this constant here, exactly. So 3 times 6 is 18. So I'll be having what? Negative 18 here. Exactly. So I'll use that negative 18 to find the pair, okay, of numbers needed for the factorization process. So I'm looking for two numbers, guys, that if I add together, I have negative 7, and if I multiply the same number, I have negative 18. Definitely here it will be 2 and 9. Exactly. So from here, I think I should have here to be plus 2 and negative 9. Now, 2 minus 9 is negative 7, and 2 times minus 9 is negative 18. So we have achieved it. Exactly. So these are the two numbers I'll be using to factorize. Are you following? Hope you're making sense. So now I now have here to be 3p squared. Here is 3p squared, right? Now I can pick up anyone. I can pick up this one, negative sign, right? Okay, negative what? Negative, minus 9p, exactly. Then plus 2p here. Now we pick this one now, minus what? Minus 6 is equals to 0. So I can now pair them, guys. I can now pair them. Are we making sense? Good. What is common here? 3p is common, right? So bringing out 3p, that is common. When I bring out 3p here, now I'm factorizing actually. So when I bring out 3p here, 3p times what will give me here? Now it should be p, right? Because 3p times c is 3p squared. Now minus what? What I have here? 3p times what will give me here is 3. Exactly. Because 3p times p is 3p squared, and 3p times 3 is minus 9p. So what's common here? This time is always common, okay? 2 is common here. I bring out my 2, I have p here, minus 3. Because 2 times p will give me 2p, and 2 times 3 is what? Negative 6, which is equal to what? 0. Are you following? Good. So guys, from here, I have it to be 3p. I'm picking the outside one. I'm picking this guy, plus what? Plus 2. Okay? Let me just go direct. Or for the sake of, let me have here is equals to 0. So I have it to be 3p here, plus 2 equals to 0, or I have p minus 3 equals to what? 0. So guys, from here, what I have it to be, I have here to be 3p is equals to negative 2, or p is equals to what? P is equals to 3. Exactly. So here I have p is equals to what? Minus 2 divided by 3. So these are the value of my p. Now, remember the question says we should find x, and we give an assumption that let p equals to this guy. So please permit me to wipe off this place. Are we together? Okay. Oh, sorry. I said let p equals to what? I say, remember, okay, let's come here. I say let p equals to log x to the base of 2, right? So let me clean. Because of bus space. Okay, guys, let's continue. Now remember, recall, guys, we said let p be equals to what? Log x to the base of 2. Are we making sense? So now the first value of p we have here is, okay, now I can pick the first one. Let me just pick this one as 3. So I have it to be 3 is equals to log x 2. And by law of indices, what will happen? So 2 here can power this 3, right? So now I have it to be, I can say x is equals to 2 power 3. And the first x here is equals to what? Equals to 8. That's my first answer. Good. Now, the second one, remember we said let p be equals to minus 2 over 3. Now, let's run for this. Now, remember here we said that let log x to the base of 2 is equals to p. Now, I have it to be log x to the base of 2 is equals to... Now, in place of this p, I'm going to put minus 2 over 3. So I have it to be minus what? 2 divided by 3. Now, by the law of logarithm, which we know, here I have here to be x here can be equal to 2. Then what I have here, 2 raised to the power of what? Minus 2 divided by 3. Exactly. So you can choose to stop here, but I want to simplify this further. So guys, would agree with me now. Let's fire down to this place. This guy can be written as 1, let's take the reciprocal 1 divided by 2 power 2 over 3. Exactly. It's still the same thing by law of indices. And by law of indices, I'm meant to understand by, since this is the denomination of the fraction, the denominator of the denominator of the fraction, so I have it to be 1 divided by this 3 can be the cube root. Exactly. This can be what? The cube root of what? 2 2 power 2. Exactly. So, or in that case, we could have it this way. So, this can still be written as 1 divided by the cube root of 4. Because 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4. So, guys, now our double answers are x equals to 8 and x equals to 1 all over the cube root of what? The cube root of 4. So, guys, I hope this question meets you all very well. Please, if you like what you've seen here, like, share, subscribe, and follow. Thank you very much, everyone, for watching. Do have a wonderful time. This is Matt with Bigben.